Ever wondered what it would look like if the legendary Doomslayer was brought to life in LEGO? Well, today we're making it happen. As we piece together this iconic character, let's dive into who Doomslayer really is. Also known as the Doom Guy, he's humanity's last hope against the demonic forces of hell. First introduced in 1993, this relentless warrior became famous for his unmatched strength and speed, tearing through enemies with his signature weapons like the Super Shotgun and the BFG 9000. But what really makes Doomslayer unstoppable is his Praetor suit, an advanced armor designed to withstand any infernal threat. Each piece of our custom minifigure reflects this powerful armor, from the intricate helmet to the detailed chest plate. And did you know? Doomslayer's anger fuels his strength, allowing him to rip and tear through even the most powerful demons. His backstory reveals that he was once a mortal who transcended humanity to become a symbol of unyielding vengeance. The build is complete. Our LEGO Doomslayer is ready to take on the forces of hell. Let me know what other custom minifigures you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic builds and stop-motion content.